Because of the sunlight is going on to the
Şunun içinde de duruyor mehfi var, duruyor. Koyutturlar yerite hakimlere dağıt olmar yani. Balıklı yaday olmar yani. Oho, güzel olmuş ayırlar. Şeydi, Roşoş'tan şehirden başlaşıyor, yani şehirden liderin fronton merkezinden. Oradan partiler var. Her yıl ihmale gelenler verip kesiyorlar.
Awesome.
Yeah.
To put Leticia here?
So, come. Why not?
They go and wrap the gun there.
Yeah, you check there, you look there, it's very nice.
Yes, that's the theater.
Yeah. Are you happy?
Yeah,
Are you giving me interview?
Yes, I'm ready.
It's very nice.
Yes.
Today's last day, yeah?
Yes.
And Good Friday. Huh? You can speak your first language, not have to speak English. Yeah, freedom today. Yeah, enjoy today. Happy.
It's still the class time.
Hi, beautiful girl.
And Javid, this one is the Rogers Center. You see at the back, the white one? That's where the opening is.
Probably dinner cruises and stuff.
Yeah. No, right there, sir. That is.
Evet, bu fırlata yazılırdı. Şiirler yazdı yani.
Kelsey and Brett.
Sunlight is going on your face, therefore
Excuse me, what is he?
She is I don't know. Maybe he will be in the she side or she will be in the he side.
Come here. Come take a picture. Take the camera. Lots of people, yeah?
Yeah, lots of people. Where is Kyushi?
I don't know.
Because Kyushi is an old man, therefore.
No. After you bring here and show for him. It's a good place. He doesn't know. There, take a picture.
Wow.
Take a picture, I take a camera, not picture. Wow, beautiful, nice. Enjoy. Take a picture too. When is you laughing, my camera is taking picture automatic.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
awesome.
very nice. Yeah, you can laugh how many you
have
want,
such a
how
good
many times you
camera.
want. You see, take a picture. Take.
You are joking.
No, I'm serious. I show you right now.
Okay.
Yeah, you see, right now I'm not taking a picture, only camera. I show you the picture.
Okay.
You see, just a minute.